The Mobile One-Stop Shop is a DENR initiative, implemented through the Mines and Geosciences Bureau, bringing government services directly to small-scale mining communities. It gathers key agencies in one location to assist miners with permits, licenses, and regulatory requirements within Minahang Bayan areas, supporting formalization, regulatory compliance, and increased legal gold sales to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The inaugural one-stop shop was held in Tiboli, South Cotabato on March 25 to 26, 2026 with about 340 participants and key agencies represented. Here are the key activities during the two-day event. On-site assistance with permitting requirements, clear guidance on regulatory compliance, and step-by-step support throughout application procedures. Technical briefings were also conducted which cover work program requirements, occupational safety and health standards, and essential environmental compliance obligations. We also held capacity building sessions focused on responsible mining practices and mineral processing demonstrations. Financial and market access sessions were facilitated covering taxation guidance, gold buying procedures, and available financing opportunities. We helped facilitate the interim small-scale mining contract application by providing on-site submission support and assistance in meeting requirements. Following those activities, 7 interim small-scale mining contracts were issued covering South Cotabato and Sultan Kudarat. 200 licensed and registered miners benefited. 62.9 grams gold sold to BSP accredited buyer. And most importantly, improved awareness of safety, environmental, and regulatory compliance. Moving forward, the Mobile One-Stop Shop will continue to be rolled out in other identified regions. Strengthen coordination with partner agencies, and enhance monitoring and capacity building initiatives. Through these efforts, the program aims to promote responsible small-scale mining, improve regulatory compliance, and deliver accessible government services closer to mining communities.
Relax lang sir, parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo. Ready na po.
Rolling. I'm Justin Paranas from Tibuli, South Cotabato. I am the president of the Sao Integrated Small Scale Mining Association located at Lamasam, Barangay South Tibuli, South Cotabato.
Ako po si Swain Adam de Cruz, Board of Director ng Last Mine, Lamasam Small Scale Mining Association Incorporated located po sa Sao, South Cotabato. Tibuli, South Cotabato.
Ako po si Grace B. Magwan, isang landowner sa 21 hectares na area. Ako yung chairman ng TBMPC.
Engineer Ryan Nicale, mining engineer po, representative both ng DJC Gold Ore Mining tsaka ng AB Precious Metal Mining. Both ng permits namin is from Barangay Chua, Bagong Bayan, Sultan Kudarat.
I am Juliet Magwan Lakap, the president of the Magwan Land Small Scale Miners Association Incorporated, located at Sikutanan, Barangay Kimanto, Tiboli, South Cotabato.
Nagpapasalamat kami dahil naparating ng government yung sapat na tulong para sa mga small scale miners. Mapadali yung aming processing sa mining contract sa small scale mining.
Diyan lahat yung mga kailangan na agencies na dapat puntahan for the requirements, especially yung mga from SEC, from the DMRD, the MGB, PEMO, at saka yung DNR din. So, yun yung naging laking tulong sa akin kasi hindi na kami gagastos papunta sa mga office nila.
Maganda yung hangarin ng lahat na MGB, NCIP, parang lahat ng nandito na. Ang saya kasi nag-isa lang po. Hindi na kami naglakad ng ilang kilometro o magbiyahe ng ilang kilometro. Andito na po lahat, nagsaway-sabay. Pati yung land bank, NGB, lahat-lahat na po nandyan. Yung isang mga agencies na kailangan namin puntahan.
napadali po yung processing namin sa pag-secure ng contract. And tsaka accessible yung mga government agencies at very approachable po.
So the first day talaga napaka-helpful, napaka-informative, tapos it's giving us assurance and really confirmation na yung government, especially the MGB, is connected or being connected sa amin po ng mga minero.
Nandyan yung lahat na kakailangan na kung ano yung information na kailangan. Nandyan lang yung mga ahensya ng government sa one-stop shop.
Po, very accommodative naman sila. Ino-accommodate lahat ng tanong, sinasagot naman, and contento na rin po kami kasi yung hindi mo na ite-text or tatawagan, kundi mismo na face-to-face mo na nakausap. And merong time talaga, bigyan kami ng time na mapaliwanagan nila sa mga concerns namin.
Malaking tulong sa amin na hindi na kami pumupunta sa mga malalayo, na hindi na namin bitbitin yung mga papers namin. Nandito na po lahat. Parang kumbaga, hindi kagaya nung nakaraang buwan kung saan-saan po kami pumupunta. Ang hirap. Pero yun lang. Ngayon hindi namin inaasahan na pumunta po yung one stop dito sa amin. Na kami yung first na anuhan nila.
Pinalagahan ng government natin yung role ng small-scale miners sa Philippines. Not only focusing on the large scale, kumbaga may economic contribution din yung mga small-scale miners.
Financially helpful siya sa nasa-start up pa lang na association. Tapos sa amin din, we are getting with the help of the office, yung mga, you are giving us more understanding na ito pala ang kulang kasi na-explain niyo siya ng tama.
Sa lahat ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno na nag-participate sa one-stop shop dito sa Tibulis at Cotabato, kami ay lubos na nagpapasalamat dahil kami ay nabigyan ng tulong upang magkaroon ng interim small-scale mining contract sa government.
Maraming salamat dahil nabigyan niyo kami ng pagkakataon at yung pinoprocess namin na for how many years is mapadali within 2 days. No? So, kahit nga ako kahapon hindi pa kami include sa kasi extended sana yung aming contract. So, within a day, yung kanina na lang, so na-apply lahat yung mga kailangan na dapat. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Yung one stop po, sana hindi lang po sa amin mangyari. Sana mangyari din, gagawin din sa ibang region na para maranasan din nila yung saya na nakamta namin sa ngayon.
Thank you po sa lahat na nandito, yun sa DTI, sa SEC, tsaka sa PMRB, sa ating BSP, for making it more accessible and convenient sa lahat na nandito po, especially with the ICC and the IPs, community, those na hindi po, walang capacity to be able to complete the documents at saka yung sa pag-file ng processing po for small-scale mining contract. Naging malaking impact po siya, particularly in Region 12 po.
Building on this impact, the mobile one-stop shop continues to strengthen the formalization of small-scale mining, bringing essential government services closer to communities. Join us in the next mobile one-stop shop as we continue reaching more areas nationwide.